my god. Oh my god. I want my mommy. There's a monster under my bed. Last night, I heard a I'm like, Mommy! What's that? Mommy! And I said, hello, and he said, I'm going to bite you. And I'm like, ah. And I'm like, no. And then my bed started moving, and I'm like, ah. And then I looked on my bed, and it was like this little small thingy. It's like an animal, and he said his name was Ravioli. Ravioli, but he was so small, and he tried to eat me. He tried to eat me. He almost got eaten by a little thingy animal. It named Ravioli. Why did Ravioli try to eat me? I don't know. Maybe we should ask him. He doesn't want to talk. But I hate him. I hate Ravioli. He's a monster. And my mommy told me there was no monsters under my bed. But she lied. She lied to me. There's a big monster under my bed. Bye.